Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today, I will show you how to embed the Stimulsoft viewer in a Python application using the Flask framework. Open your IDE with a project folder. First, install the Stimulsoft package. If you only need reports, you can use the Stimulsoft Reports package, but in this tutorial, we will use the Stimulsoft Dashboards package. Open the terminal and run the installation command. Next, add a Python file to the project, for example, viewer.py. Add a static folder and inside it, create a reports folder. Add a templates folder and inside it, create an HTML file such as viewer.html. Copy report template to the reports folder using the terminal. The preparation is now complete. First, import the necessary modules from the Flask framework and the Stimulsoft package. Set an endpoint for application routing. Add a viewer function that creates a viewer object, configures viewer settings, and assigns a report object to the viewer. This function returns the viewer as JavaScript code. Define the port and mode for the local server. The viewer HTML defines the necessary JavaScript variables. Note that you must set safe mode for this code, otherwise the JavaScript code will be embedded as plain text. Open the terminal and run the project using the Python interpreter. In a browser, navigate to local URL. Now you can see the Stimulsoft viewer added to the web page. The viewer now contains a report. Replace the report file with a dashboard. Reload the web page. The viewer now displays a dashboard. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.